Out of sight, out of mind. When was the last time you polished your fuel? With fuel running your equipment, fuel quality is vitally important. Our demonstration represents the equivalent of a pickup line 12 inches off the bottom of a 10,000-gallon tank. Fuel degradation and water are just a few issues that can cause severe mechanical problems in your equipment. Our industry-leading techniques return fuel to its original specification safely and effectively without fuel removal or disposal. With Foster Fuel's Fuel Quality Program, we will ensure your fuel maintains superior quality for seamless and reliable equipment operation. Why risk it when quality could be the difference? Contact our Fuel Quality Division today.